Your best step.
Would go to management, right? Go to management. Or, better yet, go get your own show on one of these networks that are looking for a Scott Jennings, right? I heard that CBS was looking for Scott Jennings. Like, why relegate yourself to that CNN figure? It's really ridiculous. But I get it. CNN is probably getting the fat check. I get it. The law, okay, and you know, you don't want to go through this. It's better to self-report. But they're not just going after people who came into the country illegally. They're also going after people who managed to obtain citizenship through fraudulent means as well too. So they're actually ramping up mass denaturalizations as well. Take a look.
Fuckhead.
Right? I mean, seriously, we're supposed to be colorblind, but that's not what Democrats are for in 2026. Okay? So, whatever you say, you have to watch the United States of the
Got to be a tosser.
Fucking idiot!
Into the processes of life.
Exactly.
And that's nitrogen fixation.
That's nitrogen fixation. That's the biological nitrogen fixation.
Wow.
It happens abiotically too, like so many people think that
It's got a lot of energy.
Extensive survey of Arctic fish, researchers found the first example of a fish, the snailfish, that is able to use its tail fin for backward propulsion.
Straight through the rig.
Bob,
Well
go
done,
first.
you.
You're going to be volcanic. Are you sure you like my turn to go first? Yeah.
Eyebrows. I can't look. I'm moving my eyebrows.
I can see your eyebrows moving there. And you haven't got, well, there's a very famous Australian star. You know it's when she overdoes it because she has a little strip going on, as you know. You know the Australian star I'm talking about?
Yes. Yes, I do. And
It goes out, there's almost a solid V just above her nose.
Go
it's
clap,
such a
you
good
moron.
look. It's a really natural.
It's a giveaway.
It is a giveaway. Yeah, no, I really enjoyed it. I'm into all the injectables. Soon you watch. Next time I see you, I'll be on the peptides.
Now, what is it about the peptides? I've heard recently that it's causing hair loss in some women.
Oh.
I don't know if it's technically alopecia or whether it's hair loss, I'm not quite sure. But whether it was just someone was on it and they were going to have hair loss anyway, but I've just heard that a few reports of that from the US.
I don't know. I think that they are so untested that you are really rolling the dice on any kind of anything that it does to you because they're so untested. Stick to them.
Yeah, you are a fuck. Oh, look at that. You got screwed. You got screwed. Wanker.
The forehead done. How do you square that one?
Look, that irony was not lost on me, as I think I mentioned. No, I don't need to square that. I feel like I'm adult enough just to be able to go.
And he's gonna run the red. He's gonna run. He's fucking run the red.
Really good on a podcast,
Oh
isn't it?
man, you really are a dickwad.
Which is not devil's drooping.
Which is not devil's drooping, no, because I had it done tastefully.
But then also realising that they're not quite themselves. I'm really excited to be working with a lot of different
I have one question for you, if that's all right. No, it is not. It says even if it isn't.
Your dick's hanging
I
out
won't
of your
pester you
pants.
about the
You're
imagining
imagining
things. It's a website question.
The women would spread out across the red sand and green shrubs. Following the goanna's distinctive tracks, they would dig furiously down.
No hurry, Inspector. Please do take your time.
down holes until they secured a head and bashed it on a nearby tree. A campfire was ready to receive the half-dozen or so goannas to be munched on before heading back home. There was no way they would share their goodies with the men.
What the fuck do you call that, you dickhead?
That ain't good.
That doesn't look right.
Country just must park there.
How the hell do you do that?
I'm guessing they don't need any help.
Oops!
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Red means fucking stop.
Dog, you're a fat fuck.
Run the red light, you stupid bitch! Fucking surprise, surprise.
Woman, get back in here and make me a sandwich.
Emotional, damn it!
If you're...
Fuck's sake.
You fucking bitch! Look! Whoa, good one, mate. Oh, right over the bloody medium strip. Something's going on there. What do you think of that one, Scotty?
I love it.
Okay, beep, beep, beep. Move forward. Fucking idiot. Oh, look, now everyone's going that way. Bloody idiot, mate! How did you expect me to... Fucking hell! You idiot!
Hey, dickhead!
What are you doing?
Dickhead!
Oh, you up here?
Knock. Yeah, just let me out. Yeah. How many did I do then? I've done 3. I've done 5 now. Oh, I don't know.
But me, I could do so much more.
And that's a phenomenal moment. Get out of the way.
I think there's so much that's been said about the end of time. It's actually quite hard these days to say goodbye to everybody. It was just at the time Tony Blair was leaving office, and he went on a tour for about 6 months. He told everybody that he was leaving number 10.
Are always good. You do need to put somebody in charge of it, and it does take some legwork. You gotta research who to mail these to at each TV station and